Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Eagle Sci Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to disable Windows updates, how to disable automatic Windows updates, and throughout the video I will also show some stuff how to manipulate this Windows update, how to schedule it, and some other options as well. So at first, let's get into it. The first one, I'll show you the easy one. Search for Windows update settings. Now from here you can pause for 7 days, and also there is an advanced options that you can pause for 35 days. Here you can see that there's an option pause updates for 7 days. If you click it, for the next 7 days, that is today 17th up to 24th, there will not be any updates, not downloaded or installed. If you want to pause it for the next 35 days, you can click the advanced options. Then you can pause until today 17, 35 days, so that will be July 2nd, 22nd. Okay. Then if you click July 22nd, and you can go back, you can see that updates will resume on July 22nd. This is one way to disable your automatic update, Windows automatic updates, for highest 35 days. Okay, if you want to disable it for long time and want to manipulate some other stuff, I'll show you the next steps. Okay, so I'll cross it, and then you can go here and right click it and click manage, and then click services and applications, and then click services. Okay, or you can just hit the Windows button and click R and click, and right here services .msc, then enter. You can see that this is the easy way to get into services. So I will cross the other one I have shown firstly. Okay, now enlarge it, go down and search for Windows update, Windows update, Windows update. Here it is. Now you can double click it, and then you can stop. You can stop from here, you can stop from here. You can click stop and then click OK. And another thing is that if you want to stop it from startup, because it's stopped for this service will be stopped, and if you want to make it disabled in startup as well, you can disable it. Okay, you can disable it, you can click apply, then OK. This is one way to disable your automatic Windows update. So this is one way, but here there are some lack of options, so which will be available in the next steps I'm showing. This is the second step. I've shown you the first step, which was easy, but it can only be paused until 35 days, but it is disabled over here for a long time. Okay, so cross it, and now I will show you the next step you can do. You can click the run button, the same, Windows plus R. Now here write gpedit .msc, then click enter. Now this is gpedit.msc is group policy editor. Now just enlarge it, and then enlarge this side as well. Now under the computer configuration, click this arrow, administrative templates, and then click this Windows components, and then go down and then double click the Windows update. Now over here find out configure automatic updates. This is here on configure automatic updates. Double click it. Now here it is not configured. You can enable it if you want automatic updates. You can disable it. Okay, it works like the same the previous one. It will be disabled for lifelong. You can click disable and then click apply, then click OK. Now if you want enabled and want something specific like configure automatic updating, you can choose notify for download. Number 2, remember number 2, notify for download. It will be notified, your download will be notified, then you can download, then you can install. And or automatic update, automatic download, then you'll be notified for install. And number 4 is automatic download, and they will schedule the install. Okay, and they will mention you. And the 5th one is allow local admin to choose setting. Okay, now the 7th one is auto download, notify to install, notify to restart. Okay, it is like it will be downloaded, you will be notified to install, you will install, and they will notify to restart. I will click disabled. Okay, because I'm showing you how to disable the Windows automatic updates. You can click disable, you can click apply, and then you can click OK. So this one is was the 3rd step that you can do to disable your Windows update. And now proceed. Now the next step I will show is that similar way, click Windows, then R, then write REGEDIT, then click OK. Then you will find registry editor, click yes, and it will be kind of similar to the previous one I have shown, but it will be a little bit complicated. So click this H key local machine. Now out of the options, click the software, just click the arrow, and then click policies. Here the policies, and then click Microsoft, and then go to Windows. Okay, now after clicking Windows, here there is Windows Update. It may not be here. If it is not here, just right click on it, click new, click key, then you can write this name, Windows Update, and then press enter. Okay, I'll not create, okay, because it's already created over here. Okay, now after creating Windows Update, you can click AU by the same way. Just right click on Windows Update, click new, click key. Okay, then the same way you can write AU. Okay, if it is not created, it is already created over here. So now the next step, which is not here, but if you have done the previous steps, it will be here. There will be a key here like this. Now after creating the AU, click over here, right click over here, click new. Now click dword 32-bit value. Click this, name this no auto update. Okay, now click enter again, and now set this value to 1. This means that your automatic Windows update is again disabled. Now what I want to mention you is that if you have done the previous steps, any of them, then this auto update will be here. When you come to this page, registry editor, you'll see it, but I have created all new. I have already enabled those options. Now it's not here. So this is one way. Another is that I have shown you with that GP editor that you can set values to 2, 3, 4, 5. That is, 2 will mean, I'll show you. Just click new, right click over here, click new, then click the word 32-bit value, then rename it AU options. So I have brought both of the automatic update options, like configure automatic update, side by side to make it easy for you. Like if you click 2 over here, if you set the value to 2, that will mean that notify for download and auto install. If we set it to 3, means auto download and notify for install. If you set it to 4, that will mean auto download and schedule the install. If you set the value to 5, that is allow the local admin to choose setting, and if it is 7, auto download, notify to install, and notify to restart. Whichever value you want to choose. I want to choose 2, or if you want to keep disabled, just what you can do is that you can just delete this key, and no auto update will remain there, and also configure, apply it. So these were all the steps which you can do to stop automatic Windows updates. I have also shown you how to schedule the update. I have also shown you which options to be prompted to you from the beginning. Is should it be from the download or should it be from the install? I have also shown you that. I have shown you all the way in a computer that you can stop your automatic updates. So I really hope that this video helped you. If you're having problem with your Windows activation, you can just click the video over here. I have shown you a specific code to activate your Windows, and I hope you like this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up, it means a lot, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.